So as you guys saw in the previous part, we retrieved the data from our blog post, main activity, and present it to the single view post. Now there was one problem that we were facing, and that was we weren't able to match this statement, this condition, and the reason is I was using web view. What do you call it? I was doing web development from 2 days, so I got a bit confused how Android works. So that's not how you check the condition in Android. You type in equals, and you all guys know it. So that was pretty dumb of me. And what we are going to do now, we're gonna run the app again and let it finish. Then we will remove the blog post once the user taps on the button. So that's going to be pretty easy, but what do you say? We just do it. So let the app run, and there we go. So app is running. I'm going to tap on the post, and there you can see that we got the remove post button. Now let's create some function for the remove post button. So we have our button right here. So what we can do is m single remove button dot set on click listener new on click listener. All right. So once somebody taps on it, we check once again that to make sure that the user who have presented the post is the same user as the one who have created it. The one who is removing it is the user who has created the post. You can do the check right here. Maybe you can use the on add value event listener or something, but let's just skip that for right now. What we actually want to do is we want to remove the post, or what we can actually do right here is if you want to really check it, you can create this post UID as a member variable, so you don't have to add in the value event listener again and again. So to remove it, actually I forgot how we remove the post right here. Remove child. Let me just search for it. So Firebase remove child, because when you are working on web and when you come back to the Android, it's pretty weird. So this is the old documentation, but this works pretty fine. So this is for the web, so we don't want to work on that. Let's search for Firebase Android remove child, and not retrieve, we want to remove it. Let's see if on the all right, this is saying that it's pretty easy to do. You just need to reference the child and just remove value. Yeah, so that's pretty easy to do. What we want to do is m database, so that's the root of our blog, and dot child. The child is going to be the post key that we have retrieved from the previous page, so that is going to be m post key dot remove value. So I guess that's pretty simple, and if it is like that, we want to send the user back to the main page. So I'm going to create a main intent, new intent, and this is going to be blog single view activity dot this to main activity dot class. Now you want to make sure that user won't be able to come back to this page because we have removed it, so you can add in the rest of the stuff so that user won't be able to come back to the page. So I'm gonna run the app now and see if it is working like we expected. So I'm gonna open up the post, which is, I guess, yeah, this is the one, the new post. So let's check if the app is running fine. I'm gonna tap on it, and there we have our post. I'm gonna tap on the remove button, and yep, so the post is removed. The task is successful, and that's exactly what you guys wanted. Now editing a post is another easy thing to do. I want you guys to try it by yourself, or if you aren't able to do it, I'll be back with new tutorial tomorrow with even with some web tutorials and Android as well. So see you guys tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.